Okay, my makeup goddess is back, Susie, and she's also like this brow wizard, and so I'm going to show you guys the difference between like regular untouched brows and when she works her magic, and then I'm going to tag where you can find them yourself.
So I'm going to show you her before, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do to get to the after. So her arch points are at different spots, and this arch goes up, so we're going to have to bring that down to bring symmetry to her face, because this brow is a little... So we're going to start by filling in this section here with like hair strokes to bring this arch down a little bit. And then we're going to come into the front and fill her borders. So we want to fill the bottoms and the tops, and then so we're putting the borders in so we know where we want our even lines. And then we're going to fill that in with little hair strokes. So this is our after on brow 1. You see how it now fills out a little bit better, so we can do the after on brow 2, and we're going to start with the bottom border again, but make sure that it's exactly even to the bottom on that side. So we're getting into this bottom border, and we're following the natural arch on this one because this was her lower brow, and then her top border just above here to round out the top of this brow. And she has... So we're just finishing out her tail because they're a little bit short, so we're just extending them a tiny bit. Again, little hair strokes, we're keeping it soft, but we're making the brows look exactly the same as each other. And then when you have them filled in just right, you take the other side of the spoolie and just soften it off the skin a little so that it's just really like a soft, beautiful brow.
Quiet on the set! No, we're like really recording.
Oh.
Okay, to be continued. Back to the story. So we're spoolieing still, just to make it look really soft and beautiful and even. And when her hair comes down, this will all come together. So this is the after almost, minus the lips, but look at the symmetry of the brows and how it softens the face, and the hair looks so pretty. She's just so pretty.
So Susie has like a mobile brow business if you're in the LA and San Francisco area, right?
Yes, we're in LA and San Francisco and hoping to grow into other cities soon.
Franchise. So yeah, just check her out at Flybrow, and you can see she's like amazing. She'll